Hello friends, welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm going to show you 15 best non-plastic organizers from IKEA, which can bring order in your house. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Glass food containers are very eco-friendly. The only reason it is at the bottom of the list is because all the lids for them are either plastic or come with a silicone seal. Other than that, it's a unique item. They come in different shapes and sizes. They are also oven and microwave safe, making them ideal for storing leftovers in the fridge. Truly an all-purpose item. Use a memo board to avoid losing an important document or shopping list. You can also use it for your favorite pictures, kids' drawings, books, magazines, gift cards, and even accessories. It's made of steel, which is perfect for those who want to reduce plastic waste. This bamboo and steel-made tray can replace a multi-level stand that will save table space, and it can be used in a cabinet to create additional storage space. Having a sturdy handle, it is not difficult to carry the tray to the table. If you use it for jars with spices, then you can leave it out, placed on a countertop, as well as keeping it in a cabinet, taking it out when preparing food. File and paper organization is a topic that affects any home. Magazine stands are one of the most convenient ways to organize any type of papers. IKEA offers a wide range file stands made of wood or metal or even pressed cardboard. These trays are very versatile and can be even used for vegetables, kitchen rolls and clothes. Imagination has no boundaries here. Thanks to these stands, things will be neatly and compactly kept. Next on the list is a spice rack where quite a few things will feel right at home. Its original purpose is to store spices and seasonings. But thinking outside of the box, you can use it for books, nail polish and makeup. By installing it upside down, you can hang hooks and clothes hangers on its bar. We made it to number 10 on the list. Kallax shelf unit is probably one of the most recognizable IKEA products. Most often it is used in combination with drawn-up fabric boxes. But since the boxes have plastic inserts, they will not work for those who are trying to reduce plastic waste. Luckily, IKEA now offers more eco-friendly alternatives made from wood. There are several types of bullock boxes, and they can store anything drawn-up boxes can, like toys, files, and even clothes and shoes. Bullock boxes are stylish and go in harmony with the interior and, most importantly, are plastic-free. For centuries, chests have served people as excellent storage organizers for pretty much everything. For many years now, I've been using this awesome fabric chest for toys, which helps to keep order in a child's room. IKEA started selling a stylish wooden version of it. It is made of solid acacia and can be used as a table or as a storage box. This chest will decorate the interior while solving the problem of storing large items. The 8th place of the plastic-free organizers goes to the Knaglic pine boxes. Their main perk is that they can handle a heavy load. My friend, for instance, keeps vegetables in them. These boxes provide good ventilation for produce, which increases their longevity. They are also great for storing children's books, pickle jars and cans. This lid holder is made of stainless steel and reminds me of an accordion, as in you can adjust the length accordion to your needs. Of course, the most typical way is to use it as it was intended, for pot lids, but with a little creativity it can be turned into an organizer for small purses. But my best bet is to use it for flat kitchen items, which will help save a lot of space. On the fixed place we have cardboard boxes. This is a classic storage box that can be found in every home. Our favorite Swedish store offers these boxes in different sizes and colors. I don't think I should spend much time talking about it, since I'm positive that anyone can find multiple uses for them. However, I'll gladly add that this box can tidy up any shelf. Next on the list are Botna bookends. Although their original purpose is to hold books in place, they will work for anything else, even stacks of clothes. Remember my video about life hacks for organizing closet, where I showed an interesting idea with these bookends. Let us imagine that it's convenient to store stacks of clothes in width. The bookends will hold the stacks in place so they won't fall apart, and we can adjust the bookends as the number of stacks decrease. Bamboo organizers are really cool. They are pleasant to the touch, lightweight, and at the same time quite durable. Today I want to focus on rectangular bamboo boxes that are a stylish and a quality alternative to their plastic counterparts. Since bamboo is a water-resistant material, it's perfect to use for bathroom storage. The manufacturer of this wire basket recommends it for storing fruits and vegetables that better not to keep in the fridge. Being made of wire, it offers a good ventilation, allowing produce to stay fresh longer. Of course, you can keep anything in it, and in any other room. Or even hang it on a wall. We are almost to the top. Cutlery exists in every kitchen, and it's common to keep it in a plastic tray. For the fans of renewable materials, there is a perfect alternative – bamboo tray. In case you didn't know, bamboo is grass and can grow up to 1 meter a day. It is more durable and more flexible than most types of wood, as it consists of longer fibers. That's why using products made of bamboo is twice as nice. And finally, on the list of the most convenient plastic-free organizers, the first place goes to Barriera Shelf Insert. It is durable and versatile. With its help, you can use the cabinet space and height more efficiently. Those who are subscribed to my channel most likely have already seen how I use this shelf for cup storage. On the bottom level I keep the cups for adults, and on the upper level children's cups. Another way I use this shelf is in the bottom kitchen cabinet. This shelf insert solves a lot of storage problems, and at a fraction of a cost. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!